Hello and welcome to week 5 of the Actor 75 Hard. Within the next 75 days, I'm working towards achieving and completing the following tasks. So let's get into it.
Any mayonnaise in the sandwich?
Let's close the cafe and get the heck out of here! Guys, I so much look forward to this little one-on-one time that we have just to chat, have a chin wag, check in. I'm well, I hope you're well. Let's chat, shall we, about how the week is going. Still doing my best with the 75 Hard Challenge, you guys. Definitely slacking in some departments. I keep saying every video, guys, I'm gonna post my 3 monologues. Are the monologues anyway where to be seen? No. I think that's because like in the, the tasks that are like completely independent, like no one is relying on me to submit anything, to be anywhere, like with the show reel, like with booking an agent, where it was very much like setting up meetings with other people, and I couldn't miss those, do you know what I mean? Because ever since I finished high school, like my own, in terms of like self-discipline, went out the window, girl. If a lecture was on, yeah, you would have to pry me out of bed. Having the like motivation to get up and go to a lecture like on my own, yeah, it just like went after first year, to be honest. So yeah, that's what I'm struggling with at the minute. So like the monologues, making sure that I do my daily stretches to get these splits down, girl, like, oh, I don't know, but oh my gosh, you guys, tomorrow I am so excited. Speaking of the splits, sorry, I start my dance course tomorrow, my foundation course, which I think is gonna be, I literally can't wait. I'm a bit nervous because contemporary is not my forte, girl, not my forte at all, but I am really excited. It's not. Okay, go get ready. I'm currently waiting outside the Lyric Theatre. I'm waiting for my friend Priscilla to get here because we're gonna go watch a theatre show together. But before that, she's actually helping me film my duologue. She's gonna be my scene partner in my duologue that I'm filming for my show reel. So we're gonna read over a potential script that we're gonna do. Oh my gosh, you guys, my eyes are still so swollen. I look insane. I don't know what the heck I'm allergic to, but
yeah, nice.
tonight is the night of my first contemporary foundation dance course that I'm doing. So I'm just going to do some stretching before the class and just like working towards getting my splits down. I am feeling a bit nervous about the class just because it's new studio, which means new people, and yeah, I don't know, it's always a challenge to be around like new people and them to essentially be seeing you in your most vulnerable state where you're like trying and failing and you're not necessarily good at doing something yet, but that's like sort of something that I'm trying to work on within myself, like developing this, like getting rid of the sense of embarrassment I feel at being perceived trying and failing. So yeah, it's going to be a good way to challenge that, but I think it'll be fun, and I am, as nervous as I am still looking forward to it, and I'm pretty excited, and I think it'll be good. And I'm just excited to learn and just like develop a new skill. I haven't danced much contemporary, so I think, I don't know, it's something I've always wanted to do as someone who was like a dance mom's babe. Like, I love that show down. But yeah, anyway, that's enough chit chat. Let's get these stretches, girls.
Perfect routine for you. Today we will be doing the most effective.
The way the shrinkage is just, yeah, whatever. I washed my hair today because I'm filming my show reel tomorrow, so I wanted my hair to be nice and fresh for that, but the shrinkage is actually just mental. And
When my hair is like this, people at the cafe literally just can't hack it. But it's like, is it me who has mug written on my forehead that I'm going to stand here and explain how black hair works to you? Like, why was it long yesterday and today is short? Do you know what I mean? Like, Google is free. But, yeah, okay, I'm just going to put my shoes on. Bro, like, is my name Tafadzwa? This is a joke. Done. Let's go. Video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking the videos, subscribing to this random little channel. Even though it's like not the best quality, we're working with an iPhone 8, guys. Okay, the budget of the channel will get there, but at the minute, please bear with your girl. I'm gonna go now. Love you guys. Let's chat soon. Mwah. Bye.